Alright, so just leaving the hotel in Cairns. Time for breakfast, time to refuel, and then we will head off. Get off the centre stand. So yeah, a little bit of rain around this morning, but it's only light stuff. Probably the only thing it will affect is the ride up the range this morning, so it shouldn't be too bad. Just take it nice and easy, and we should be fine. So we've just had a quick nature break at Casey's Rest Lookout, and it is a spectacular lookout. The colours that are up here are just amazing. You know, the black of the trees, the green, the brown of the grass, and with the clouds in the background. Well, we've just gone from Cairns. We've got 30 kilometres to go. And it's only just stopped raining. What's the ride been like, Scotty?
Different.
Less than optimal?
Less than optimal.
Less than optimal, I would say. Absolute shit. Just
Get house.
thumb up bum, cruise control on, and just get through the rain to get to where we're going tonight. Yeah, it's not the best day for riding.
14 degrees at one point.
14 degrees. Yeah, so not the best for riding. But anyway, 30 k's to go, and yeah, just thought we'd just stop and have a look at this awesome lookout. Just 30 k's out of Georgetown. Alright, just getting into Georgetown, so we're staying here tonight. I think we're going to get a pub day. Been absolutely pissing down all day, and I don't think either of us want to set up a tent and sleep in the rain tonight. So pub stay or motel it is. Nice long beach coming into town. Obviously, they get a little bit of water through here at times. Nice wide river. And Georgetown, just so you know where you are. Scotty, we stopped. What do you want to stop for?
Oh, mate, I feel like a coffee, but there's nothing around.
There's absolutely nothing. We're in the middle of nowhere, mate. There's another car,
Yeah.
but there's absolutely nothing around.
I thought for sure the Gilbert River would have a Teton coffee shop of some description.
Well, hang on a sec. That car's gone. Don't tell anyone. All right, mate. You wanted a coffee. There's your coffee. Hopefully it's not too hot.
Yeah. Oof. Thanks, mate.
No worries.
Cheers. Have you got the biscotti in the bag as well?
I do. It's in this bag here. I'll grab it in a sec.
All right, mate. Cheers.
Okay, so we just got to Normanton. We're gonna have a quick look around Normanton. Train station, big crocodile, grab a drink, and then keep going to Karumba. It's only about 70 k's to Karumba. And once we're there, yeah, we got the actually there for the State of Origin tonight, so that will be interesting. I won't tell them that I'm a Blues supporter until I get in there. Then I'll tell them I'm a Blues supporter. Otherwise, they probably won't let me in. So just following Scotty to the caravan park, we will find our spot that we've booked. It's fairly busy. No, I don't know if it's this one. Not that one. But we've booked a couple of spots for tonight. Then we'll go down to the down beside the ocean, sit at the pub at the front, and we will partake of a cold beverage prior to the game tonight. That's the illusion. I think I finish it tonight. So yeah, so watching the sunset over the water will be good. In the next episode, Scotty bets me I can't ride over 1,000 kilometres on one tank of fuel, hold my beer, watch this space. We visit the Walkabout Creek Hotel for 10 a.m. beers. Scotty runs out of fuel just out of town, and we visit the Qantas Museum. Watch out for that one.